Hey guys, welcome back to our channel The Whole Lot Stuff. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about SURGE Internship Program 2021. This internship is generally conducted in offline mode, but right now they are also offering it in online mode. The Students Undergraduate Research Graduate Excellence Program is for all the students who are enrolled as undergraduate student. This is initiated by IIT Kanpur, and you can also see on the screen that 494 students of IIT Kanpur are enrolled in this program, and more than that, the non-IIT Kanpur students have enrolled in this internship. You can know more about this program on this page by going through all these links. So to apply for this internship, you have to click on notifications there, and it will redirect you to this page. Here you can see SURGE 2021 notification. The opening of this online application starts from 2nd February. That means it has already started, and it is going to end on 26th February 2021. To submit your online application, you have to pay a non-refundable amount of 500 rupees. And other general instructions are given about how we can register online through this website. In all, there are going to be 3 phases that you have to follow in order to complete your online application for this internship. You should definitely apply for this internship program if you are interested in research and laboratory related projects and theses. This can also be a way for you to develop your skills and increase your network as you come across so many professors and also students who have same interests just like you. Students who have a decent percentage of above 75 are encouraged to apply. Even if you don't have that cutoff, it is okay, you can still apply, as there is a chance that they can also select you based on your SOP that you're going to submit. Make sure you mention all your achievements in your SOP and also tell why it is very important for you to attend this internship. Let us see how we can do the payment of 500 rupees. Here we have link for payment procedure. We just have to click on that link and it will show us this page. Here we have each and every detail about how we can do the payment. It is advised that you follow each and every instruction correctly and do the payment without any mistake. In step 1, you have to first register for SURGE 2021 by clicking on that link. Here you have to create new user profile if you already don't have one. For that you need to enter your details and also mention if you are IIT Kanpur student or non-IIT Kanpur student and register successfully. After that, in the second step, they have mentioned that you have to pay a non-refundable amount of 500 rupees if you are non-IIT Kanpur student. You can follow the payment procedure by SBI as I mentioned it earlier. In phase 2, you have to fill up your application form by logging in with your credentials which are provided by them through your email address. If you are non-IITK student, then you have to upload your transaction ID and payment receipt PDF to complete your application. So that's all in today's video, guys. I hope this was informative. If you find this useful, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel if you want to receive latest updates like these from my channel.